Hello friends, Abhishek. Welcome you all on my YouTube channel, the Options Desk. So this is a Nifty 50 and BankNifty analysis video for the 4th of June. That is the Thursday's expiry. That is the first week of expiry in the June month. So today the video is gonna be a bit long because I will also analyze the intraday levels, what I provided and how I provided that, and how I was doing a simple chart analysis through the support and resistances. No indicator was being used. So firstly, let's jump to the Nifty 50 chart. Firstly, let's do the analysis for tomorrow, and then we will jump for the intraday, covering the positions in the last. And I will only do the intraday analysis for the Nifty 50 as the Bank Nifty was just around correlating with it and moving around with the Nifty 50. So as you can see, so Bank Nifty firstly, yeah, so this was the Bank Nifty level. So now only I will go on the expiry if the Bank Nifty breaks today's level, and my first target would be this, that is around, yes, today's low, that is around 200 points, around I guess 170 points. The Bank Nifty would be my first target, so I can buy a put. Like if it breaks the 20,800 level, I can buy 20,800 put or 20,900 put, and I can book when the Bank Nifty reaches the 20,630 level. So that would be my video. Just a moment. Yeah. So now let's see on the other hand what's the high. So I will only buy Bank Nifty call option when the Bank Nifty breaks a level of 21144, that is around 21,114, and my first target would be around 21,270, that is also the approximate high of this level. I will go for a safer target at this, that is 270. And now what would be the resistance for the Bank Nifty? Just let me see. So that would be my resistances for the Bank Nifty, because the high of this candlestick, that is the 1 hourly candlestick, and the low of one here and one here, and my final resistance for the Bank Nifty would be at this point, that is the high of today. So the other levels for the Bank Nifty on the upper side. Now let's mark the level from the lower side. So firstly, the intent support stays as this level for the Bank Nifty, and the final support stays at this level. So these are the levels that I marked for the Bank Nifty on the lower side and the upper side. Do not need to remember these levels, as I have already uploaded a chart for the TradingView on my TradingView account, that is for the Options Desk. You can go and join my TradingView by clicking the link here, that is for the TradingView. So this was the chart analysis for the Bank Nifty. Now let's analyze the chart for the Nifty 50 for tomorrow. Just a moment, let me demark it. So as you can see, again, so in the Nifty 50 I will go to buy a put option only when the low of today's break, and my first target would be around 30 points, as I am expecting the target may be small because the expiry and the market can be volatile. So I'm keeping my first target of 40 points only. So as you can see, 10036 to 9996, that would be my first target. And the further, if the Nifty 50 starts to go down, we can go and break till the level of, let's see what level can we expect in the Nifty 50. Yeah, that would be my first level, and just a moment, let me shift just upward, because the high of this candlestick, as you can see, and the high of this candlestick, again high of this candlestick, 3 hourly high, the market was not able to break this level, that is 9932. Just a moment, and the final support would be at this level, that is 9987. So these are my levels for the lower breakout. If the Nifty gives a lower breakout, these are my support levels and the profit booking levels for the Nifty 50 on the lower end. Now let's mark the levels for the upper end. So I will only enter in the upper breakout at this level's breaks. My first target would be this, that is around 11047, and today it was also my first target. I will show you the intraday chart analysis once I am done with this. So, and now what would my final resistance? Let's see. So final resistance, I can go for a target of 11083, that was for the today, that was the today's high, and the final high would be at this particular point, that is, just a moment, this, because that is around, I guess, 180 points, because that would be because if the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty opens gap up tomorrow, which maybe, or gap down tomorrow, I will also upload the reanalyzed chart on my Telegram channel. So make sure that you are following my Telegram channel so that you can also get a reanalyzed chart. So that is only the EOD analysis, that is the end of the analysis for the Nifty 50. So these are the upper breakout levels for the Nifty 50, and they might change if the Bank Nifty or Nifty opens gap up or gap down. So now let's analyze the option chain. So as you can see, the Nifty 50 closed at 10061.55 as on June 3:30 p.m. IST, and the next trading starts at the 4th of June. So now let's see where we are ITM. So we are somewhere ITM around 10,050 and 10,100. So, and as you can see, there's a massive put writing at this level. Okay, and the change in OI is also 18 lakh something, and the volume is around 8 lakh, so that is around 2 times. So means the put sellers are really active at this position. And now let's see. So as you can see, the call writing has been covered on this side. There was a major call writing, but when the bank nifty was like made, the sellers might be thinking the nifty 50 can go up, so there was a major call side covering at this level, and the put writing remains the same. So let's see on the highest strike prices levels. So as you can see, the put writing remains at this level. So first major hurdle will be 10,200 itself, because that was a hurdle for today also, and the put writing stays solid also at the level of 10,100. So these are the, if the nifty 50 or bank nifty opens gap up, the first support would be 10,100 and the next support would be 10,000. If it opens gap down, first resistance would be that level of 10,100 also, and also the level of 10,200. The other resistances that the nifty 50 might face for tomorrow. So this was a complete option chain analysis. Now I will also tell you what the levels and how the levels I provided on the intraday. So now let's see. So firstly shifting it to 5-minute chart. So removing all the marks. So no need to just remember all the levels. I have already uploaded the charts on the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty for the tomorrow's expiry on my TradingView. Make sure you click this link, last link, to follow on my TradingView, and first link to follow on my Telegram channel. So let's analyze. So firstly, as you can see, this is a flag pattern. You cannot see this, sorry. So now let's firstly shifting it to the candlestick, and now let me draw it. First here, here. So I just provided this on my Telegram channel. Let me show you. So as you can see, I also provided daily chart for some of the major stocks that I am looking into it. So let's see, where is Nifty 50. So this is the Nifty 50 chart, and it was around, I just provided this chart, let me see, I provided this chart around 11:17. Now let's see what modified charts I did provide for the Nifty 50. So this was the chart that I provided at around 13:24, that is around 1:24 or 1:30 p.m. approximately, when the Nifty 50 was trading at around 10114. So this was a level when I was experiencing a flag pattern in the Nifty 50, and I was thinking that a breakout can happen on either side. Okay, so as you can see, the 3 tests have already been done on the supports, and there was an, as the call put writing was suggesting me on the option chain that a breakout can be come on the higher levels. So I was thinking that a breakout can be possible on the higher levels, and I did also provide charts. Triangle breakout might be possible. Moreover, it looks like a flag. So the flag looks like here, and as you can see, this, and at 13:20, sorry, just a moment, and at 13:24, just at this point, just a moment. So somewhere at this point I just provided my chart. So this was the point where I provided my chart to all the free channel members. So this was the chart, and I did also give this level. So flagpole of difference was, as you can see, this was the difference from the the morning high and the morning low. The difference between the 10 p.m. before 10 p.m. was around 60 to 70 points. So I did said that if the breakout comes, the target would be around 10181 CMP of from the current market price of 10120, 60 points. That was same difference. So that, and the bank, let's see till which level the Nifty 50 went. So Nifty 50 went and gave a high of around 10175. The high on the broker's chart was 10175, and I did also uploaded the 10175, and I also said that please the safe traders start looking, because the high of 10175 was achieved in the Nifty 50 as and there a profit booking might start. And since the high was achieved, after that the Nifty 50 fell huge and even broke this support line. If I could have extended this support line to the future, this support line would have broken, and the Nifty 50 went on to test this level. Today there was not much gap filling, and everyone was hoping there was gap filling was going on, but the Nifty 50 did. So if it has given a support at this level, there must be a previous support or the major support at the level of 10,040. Let's see if there is any, or the Nifty 50 support was fake. So firstly let's shift to the hourly time frame. It will help us analyzing much better. 10,040, why 10,040? So there's a reason, there must be a reason. Firstly 10,000, oh, at this particular high, so that was the high of this candlestick. And if you will also go in the past, you will also see that this particular point might be a support on the previous level. Let me show it. Why not? Let me show it for you. Sorry, it's taking time to zoom out. Oh, wonderful. See, this support level, when the Nifty 50 gave a very big retracement in the October 2018, this was a support level again, that is around 10,040. And let's see any previous levels. Oh wow, So this is how I plot the support and resistances. I just see and test on the back test their data where the support was there and why the support was there. This is how they plot the levels. So the Nifty 50, so as you can see, this was a level, so I have already shown you, and now I will show you again the chart for the today, so I may not be able to shift it backwards again. So then when the Nifty 50 started falling, why did it take the exact support of the level of 10,040? Was it a pre-decided level or something like that? Just 5 minutes chart. So there was a level that was the support of the major support zone. If you could have waited for the level of around this like around 10,040 and plus minus 10 to 15 points, you could have easily booked your good profit when it broke the support of this. You could have easily sold your sold your Nifty futures or bought a put option when it broke this trend line, and you could have easily booked a decent profit around, and I would say that is around 80 points profit. So that was the complete analysis, and also I showed you how to plot the support and resistances and the intraday chart analysis. I hope you like this video. Sorry the video got a bit long, but I tried to convey as much as possible for you. Please share this video and please give it a like if you like this video. Let's see how is the responses. I would be more happy to make more videos in the near future. Thank you.